We've got breaking news coming in. You're watching 7 at 7. Rahul Gandhi, Vice President of the Congress Party, has hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of doing politics over the blood of our soldiers. The most political, the most vicious attack on the Prime Minister ever since this surgical strike. खून की दलाली कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी. That's the charge coming from the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. The BJP furious. Maushmi Singh was at the event where this controversial comment was made. Maushmi, you heard what Rahul said. Give our viewers a full sense of how this is being perceived and what really led Rahul to saying this.
See, clearly, Rahul, if you see the way Rahul Gandhi made a very scathing attack at the Prime Minister, clearly alleging that he was actually trying to benefit from what the army was doing. This is a very serious comment. If you see the Congress Party stand, earlier the Congress Party had said that in national interest, the Congress demands that the Prime Minister should give evidence of the surgical strike. So clearly Rahul Gandhi upping the ante here, and he takes the discussion, the allegations a step further. He alleges directly at Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Stay with me. I'm coming back to you in just a moment. Let's take our viewers through what Rahul Gandhi said about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP is joining us on this broadcast. GVL, Rahul Gandhi accusing the Prime Minister of doing khoon ki dalali. GVL? Maushmi, the BJP very angry with the fact that Rahul Gandhi has said what he has. You know, at a time when everybody is supposed to stay united, they've actually gone out and hit out at the Prime Minister in this fashion.
That's right, Rahul. The Congress Party stand earlier was that the BJP, the Prime Minister should actually respond to the propaganda war that the Pakistan was doing. So clearly now, the way Rahul Gandhi has alleged that the Prime Minister was doing khoon ki dalali is actually going a step further. He has actually launched a frontal attack directly at the Prime Minister, and he is actually who's spearheading the opposition party. So clearly the line is clear. The Congress Party is up against the BJP, the government, and it is actually not going to spare the BJP and the government as far as politicizing the surgical strikes is concerned.
With me, Maushmi, let's listen to what Rahul Gandhi said about Prime Minister Modi and the BJP's response to the surgical strikes.
आप कर क्या रहे हो? जो हमारे जवान हैं, जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जम्मू कश्मीर में जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान के लिए सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया है, उनके खून के पीछे आप छुपे हुए हो, उनकी आप दलाली कर रहे हो. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. हिंदुस्तान के सेना ने हिंदुस्तान का काम किया है. आप अपना काम कीजिए. आप हिंदुस्तान के किसान की मदद कीजिए. आप हिंदुस्तान की सेना को 7th पे कमीशन में पैसा बढ़ा के दीजिए. ये आपका काम है, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. इसको आप निभाइए. हिंदुस्तान ने आपको इसके लिए इलेक्ट किया है. ये सच्चाई है.
That's a very strange comment from Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Prime Minister is doing politics over the blood of our soldiers. Let's listen once again to this hugely controversial comment from the Congress Vice President.
आप कर क्या रहे हो? जो हमारे जवान हैं, जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जम्मू कश्मीर में जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान के लिए सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया है, उनके खून के पीछे आप छुपे हुए हो, उनकी आप दलाली कर रहे हो. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. हिंदुस्तान के सेना ने हिंदुस्तान का काम किया है. आप अपना काम कीजिए. आप हिंदुस्तान के किसान की मदद कीजिए. आप हिंदुस्तान की सेना को 7th पे कमीशन में पैसा बढ़ा के दीजिए. ये आपका काम है, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. इसको आप निभाइए. हिंदुस्तान ने आपको इसके लिए इलेक्ट किया है. ये सच्चाई है.
Joining us for political reactions on this big story, GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP. GVL, can you hear me?
Yes.
GVL, your thoughts on this controversial statement by Rahul Gandhi accusing the Prime Minister of doing politics over the blood of our soldiers?
It only shows intemperate nature of Rahul Gandhi, his unsuitability for either any political or public office. Honorable Prime Minister has not spoken a word on the surgical strikes, and then the whole country at a time when they are celebrating the bravery of our soldiers, Rahul Gandhi can only think of Dalali, because this is what he and his party have done. For them, defense and armed forces means making a political Dalali. I think he and his family have been accused repeatedly in different scandals, defense scandals, and therefore what comes to mind for Rahul Gandhi is only Dalali. I think he can't think beyond Bofors, he can't think beyond submarine deals, he can't think beyond Augusta Westland. For every purchase in defense, for Rahul Gandhi can only see Dalali. So
Okay,
he
Ajay
and his
Kumar of
party,
the Congress party is also joining us. Dr. Kumar, at a time when you were on our show yesterday, we were discussing the need to stay united. Rahul Gandhi accusing the Prime Minister of doing politics over the blood of our soldiers. As the BJP points out, the Prime Minister hasn't spoken a word ever since the surgical strikes.
I'm Tom Vadakan of the Congress Party.
Go ahead, Tom, please.
Yeah. The issue is, why are they so rattled with what Rahul ji has said? The question is, where are these posters coming from? Everywhere in Uttar Pradesh, you see these posters plastered of these brave hearts. Across the state, which is an election-going state, they have sacrificed their lives, not for Bharatiya Janata Party, not for the left, not for the right, not for the INC. They have done it for this country. That is the issue. That is where the difference of opinions emerge. We are talking about India. India first. And if they have sacrificed for their life, it has to be for the country. And this is for the country. Let that message go loud and clear. We were with the government, we are with the government, and will continue with supporting the government. We are for this operation that is being undertaken. But yes, you cannot take the blood of these brave hearts to plaster the walls for electioneering purposes.
Okay, let the BJP respond to that. GVL, you heard from the Congress, these posters being put up in different parts of Uttar Pradesh seeking to take credit, showing Prime Minister Modi as Bhagwan Ram, and that really is something the Congress says is proof of the fact that you are the ones trying to politicize this.
no, we have this, our party, nor any of our leaders have ever supported anyone trying to deify or trying to present any of our political leaders as gods. We take actually offense to it. This is done by, I find some Sena workers have done it in some places. But as far as saluting the army is concerned, saluting the Prime Minister for his great determination is concerned, I think it's the right of every Indian and our political our BJP workers to talk about it. We are only making our army proud. We are questioning army like a Congress party. A Congress party seems to be deriving pride from the Pakistani army. They don't seem to have any respect for Indian army, armed forces. For them, armed forces are only a source of making commissions and bribery for the kind of scandals that Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi and all the party leadership, including Rahul's father, Rajiv Gandhi, were involved in.
Okay,
For
let's
them,
listen
defense
once more
means
to
bribery
what
and
Rahul
commission.
Gandhi actually said. Remember, this is at the this is when his yatra is going on. It was all over Uttar Pradesh. Now coming from Uttar Pradesh into Delhi. Let's listen to the Congress Vice President once more.
आप कर क्या रहे हो? जो हमारे जवान हैं, जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जम्मू कश्मीर में जिन्होंने अपना खून दिया है, जिन्होंने हिंदुस्तान के लिए सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया है, उनके खून के पीछे आप छुपे हुए हो, उनकी आप दलाली कर रहे हो। ये बिल्कुल गलत है। हिंदुस्तान के सेना ने हिंदुस्तान का काम किया है। आप अपना काम कीजिए। आप हिंदुस्तान के किसान की मदद कीजिए। आप हिंदुस्तान की सेना को 7th पे कमीशन में पैसा बढ़ा के दीजिए। ये आपका काम है, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। इसको आप निभाइए। हिंदुस्तान ने आपको इसके लिए इलेक्ट किया है। ये सच्चाई है।
Okay, that's Congress's Vice President Rahul Gandhi upping the ante when it comes to the surgical strikes, accusing the Prime Minister of doing khun ki dalali. Okay, I want to go across now to Tom Wadakan, because you're hearing the BJP very, very upset. You know, at a time like this, Mr. Wadakan, when the country should be uniting as one, we're instead seeing the Congress demand evidence of these surgical strikes, say that the Prime Minister is doing khun ki dalali. All of this is what Pakistan wants. We, in some senses, seem to be playing into Pakistan's hands, Mr. Wadakan.
Let me be very candid. We are with the government. The Congress President, the Congress Vice President, the entire party has stood like a rock with the government and salutes the army for the valor they have shown. The brave hearts who have sacrificed for this nation. It is not an issue which we would have gone into. It's a sad moment when we see plastered posters showing these brave hearts. They sacrificed their lives for this country, not for any political party. We are not claiming that they did it for us. We are not claiming they did it for BJP. They did it for this country. They did it for all of us. And we stand upon that. We salute them. We support the government on this issue. But for God's sake, I repeat, do not use their sacrifices for electioneering purposes. It is belittling their memory.
Okay,
It is
KC
those brave
Tyagi of
hearts.
the Janata Dal United also joining us at this time. Mr. Tyagi, your thoughts on Rahul Gandhi's scathing attack on the Prime Minister, accusing him of doing politics over the blood of our soldiers?
राहुल जी, मैं पिछले कई दिन से बहुत ही कष्ट में हूँ और मैंने भारतीय राजनीति का ऐसा दौर कभी नहीं देखा। मुझको 1965 का भारत पाक युद्ध भी याद है, जब कच्छ के रण पर हमने कब्जा कर लिया था। मुझको 71 का भी युद्ध याद है, जब पाकिस्तान का एक हिस्सा पाकिस्तान से अलग हो गया था। मुझको कारगिल का युद्ध भी याद है, जब हिंदुस्तानी सेना ने अपने शौर्य दिखाए थे। लेकिन मुख्य जो मेन स्ट्रीम पॉलिटिक्स की जो दोनों पार्टियां हैं, कम से कम मैंने उनको इस तरह का आचरण करते कभी नहीं देखा। मैंने 71 के युद्ध में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को इंदिरा जी की तारीफ करते देखा। मैंने भाजपा के जनसंघ के नेताओं को लाल बहादुर शास्त्री की तारीफ करते देखा। कारगिल के युद्ध में समूचा देश अटल जी के और भारतीय सेना के साथ था, लेकिन सर्जिकल अटैक को लेकर के जो भाषा इस्तेमाल हुई, वो भाषा अच्छी भाषा नहीं थी। उससे सैनिकों के हौसले भी टूटते हैं और हमारे अंदर की
अच्छी भाषा, किसने गलत भाषा इस्तेमाल की त्यागी साहब? Who do you blame?
मैं उन दलों को मुझसे नाम मत लेवाइए जिन्होंने,
क्यों नहीं? Who are you blaming?
कांग्रेस के कुछ नेताओं ने जो भाषा इस्तेमाल की, आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं ने जो कुछ इस्तेमाल किया, उसको मैं अच्छा नहीं मानता। ऐसे वक्त में इस तरह की भाषा इस्तेमाल नहीं करनी चाहिए, नंबर 1। नंबर 2,
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. KC Tyagi, for joining us. Gaurav Bhati of the Samajwadi Party is also with us. Your thoughts, Gaurav, on this very intemperate attack by Rahul Gandhi on the Prime Minister, accusing him of doing khun ki dalali?
I would say that a senior leader like Mr. Rahul Gandhi should use the right words, and definitely the words he chose could have been better. But Rahul, at the same time, I also want to highlight an issue that it is a very good sign that all political parties came together to show solidarity with the government.
That
and with
only
the
lasted
Prime
for 48
Minister.
hours, Gaurav. Only for 48 hours.
Let me just complete myself. It didn't last for 48 hours. Parties like Samajwadi Party are still supporting the government on surgical strikes and are also saying that we are with the Prime Minister on whatever decision we take. But at the same time, look at the modus operandi of the BJP. The Prime Minister says that please do not indulge in chest thumping, but other regional leaders, keeping in mind various state elections, are trying to politicize the issue again. I think this is demeaning the sacrifice of the martyrs who've laid down their lives for the motherland.
Terribly unfortunate this.
And that is why I think a statesman-like statement from the Prime Minister would have been that he would have thanked all the political parties to stand with him firmly. And that, I think, would have also helped him in the future.
No, what we're essentially seeing is, on the one side, you've got the BJP hoping that this will help them electorally. On the other side, you've got all these opposition parties trying to damage the BJP. All of this actually damages India's national interest, and this is quite pathetic. The Prime Minister has been fairly statesmanlike. He hasn't spoken. He's asked his ministers not to thump their chests, but the other opposition parties clearly haven't got that message. Very unfortunate use of language this by Rahul Gandhi.